Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to highlight duplicate data in column or row. Now as you can see, we're right now in Google Spreadsheet, and what we can do is we can pretty much highlight this, right? We can go to format, we can go to conditional formatting, right? And we pretty much want to create a rule when, as you can see here, house, bird, mouse, house, car, city, right? So we have two houses right here. So we want to highlight two houses. So how can we do this, right? So we can go here, format cells, if, and then we can go down below, custom formula. And what we can do here is we're going to say count if, you can say count if, and then A, and then we can do A1 is greater than 1, right? So as you can see right now, we have highlighted house and house, right? So this is the formula for it, right? And obviously you can do this in rows as well, in columns as well. It's pretty much the same. So again, you can just apply it to range because we're in the range A, right? We put this formula right here. If you're in a different range, you'll put different formula, right? For example, if you're in range, for example, 7, A7 to A12, you can put, A7, right? Because you're starting from A7, but you're in a range, right? So this is pretty much how to highlight duplicate data in column or row. It's really not that complicated. Pretty much anyone can do it, and yeah, this is the formula for it. The formula will be down in the description as well, so you can just copy paste it whenever you're doing this for yourself.